Hey guys, and welcome to Techy Taca.
So, I've been on the lookout for a wireless mouse for my day-to-day needs ever since my last one, the Logitech M171, which is a budget compact wireless mouse, bailed on me all of a sudden. Obviously looking for an upgrade to the M171, I set out to search for the best mouse out there, which offers great value for money, making sure that it satisfied the following requirements. 1. The mouse must be wireless. No one likes cables cluttering up space, and as they say, the future is wireless, baby. 2. The mouse must be full size. The main reason that I had bought the M171 was because of it being marketed as a compact and portable mouse. I am someone with huge hands, and the M171's compactness really didn't help. 3. The mouse must be below 1000 rupees because that was a budget I had set, catering to my needs. Finally, the mouse must be able to handle what I throw at it, be it editing, script writing, copy pasting my assignments from the class toppers, and even a little bit of gaming. Keeping in mind all these requirements, I scoured through Amazon and Flipkart and came across tons of great value for money wireless mice. But the great experience I had with Logitech mice in the past and the features that it had, I decided to go for the mouse that we'll see in this video, which is the Logitech M190. The M190, or should I call it, the Logitech M190 wireless mouse, full-size ambidextrous curved design, 18-month battery with power-saving mode, USB receiver, precise cursor control, plus scrolling, wide scroll wheel, scoop buttons, red, is a full-size wireless mouse that costs well below 1000 rupees. Coming to the unboxing, here we have the mouse in all its glory. It comes in a standard package with the view of the mouse up front and some instructions to the rear. Opening it up, this is some really nice packaging, I must say. Damn, it's really one tough nut to crack.
One eternity later.
Now that we have it opened, the first thing we come across is a manual and some specifications of the product, which we'll obviously check out because who even needs manuals, right? And finally, we have the mouse itself. The mouse comes in 4 different colors: blue, charcoal, red, and grey. I had ordered the red one, and I must say, I really do dig the full size, which measures at 11.5 centimeters in length. It fits perfectly in my hands and is quite ergonomic. The buttons are quite tactile and responsive and have a satisfying click to it. The scroll wheel also has good tactile feedback. Having a look inside the mouse. To get it up and running, the white tab is to be pulled off, which slots the single AA battery into place. It's a nice touch that the battery comes included with the mouse, especially during these dark ages, where companies are shipping products even without the chargers. Inside the mouse, you also find the plug-and-play USB dongle that lets you connect the mouse wirelessly to your PC or laptop. Pretty standard stuff. It also has its own little niche within the mouse, making it easier to carry it around. The build quality of the mouse is quite good, and the whole product is pretty ergonomic, with the grooves on both sides of the mouse. There's also an on-off switch at the bottom of the mouse. The ambidextrous design of the mouse makes it easier for the user to operate the device with either their left or right hands without any issues. To know more about the specifications of the device, let's have a look at the manual.
Who even needs manuals, right?
It says that the mouse is designed for mid to large size hands for all day comfort, has a strong 10-meter wireless connection, and boasts precise cursor control and smooth scrolling. Flipping it open, you find some details on how to establish a connection between the mouse and any other device that is compatible. Then, you also find the warranty information in about a dozen languages as another pamphlet. The M190 shows itself off as a great mouse under 1000 rupees with a very ergonomic and comfortable design without sacrificing on the build quality. Logitech also mentions that it's made from recycled plastic, reducing the carbon footprint of the company and giving a second life to end of plastics from old consumer electronics. I'll be using this for my daily needs and will update on how it holds and how it performs, possibly after a fortnight. If you like the video, do consider pressing the like button and subscribing to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Until next time, peace out.